guys, good afternoon. My name is Eric and welcome to another episode of Parrot English. And today I'm going to talk about more history from Dominican Republic. The Columbus Lighthouse is a massive rectangular cross of concrete and marble. It is 690 feet, 210 meters long, 197 feet, 60 meters across, and 102 feet, 31 meters high. At night, the 157 lights on his roof project across into the sky that can be seen from miles away. Inside the lighthouse are museums where what claims to be Columbus remains are kept. The mausoleum, 29 feet 9 meters high and built in the Gothic style, from 280 pieces of Carrara marble, decorated with bronze ornaments. It is flanked by 4 bronze lions symbolizing the Spanish Empire. At the top is a female figure representing the Dominican Republic. The museums. The lighthouse was originally planned to be a tomb, but the Dominican government changed its mind, and the architect Teofilo Carbonell was asked to adapt the interior to provide facility for exhibition from 48 countries. The result was the present 3 levels of museums and exhibition halls. Also located here are the Museum of the Dominican Naval League, the Museum of Rescue Underwater Archaeology, the Museum of the History of Lighthouse, the Hall of the Art of the Lighthouse, the Library and Center of Colombian studies where there are studies related to Columbus and the history of the Americas. Okay guys, it was all for tonight. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to continue watching more videos about me, you only have to subscribe for more videos every Thursday, because now I'm uploading a new video every Thursday. See you next Thursday. This was Parrot English. Bye bye.